The throttle handle and trigger assembly is a complete replacement for your gas-powered tool. The kit consists of the handle housings, the trigger lever, the trigger spring, the ignition switch, and the mounting screws. The most common problem with the assembly is broken housings and the trigger lever due to an accident, such as something falling on the tool. Replacing the throttle housing and trigger assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old throttle trigger assembly from the tool. And I'll remove the old switch. Now I can install the new throttle housing and trigger assembly. I'll start by installing the new spring into the trigger. The U-shaped portion of the spring goes through the slot in the bottom of the trigger and wraps around the notch. Now I'll install the throttle cable onto the new trigger. I need to install the cable so it's on the inside portion of the trigger. And now I'll install the trigger into the new housing. I'll tension the spring and place the end of the spring in the recess. Next, I'll route the ignition wires through the housing. I'll connect the wires to the switch. And I'll place the switch into the housing. And now I'll align the throttle cable with the housing. Now I can install this assembly onto the shaft. With it in place, I'll install the other half of the housing. I'll install a couple of the screws to secure it. Now I'll rotate the handle around and align this center hole with the hole in the shaft. I install the small screw into this hole. This keeps the handle from twisting. And now I can install the rest of the screws. And that's all it takes to install a new throttle housing and trigger assembly on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.